This video is for Curly. Be really annoying so everyone know. Oh. There's something that he looks at up there. I don't know what it is. Must be magical. Tickles, be more interesting. Hey, Tick. Don't ignore me. How dare you? Right. Okay. Say hi, button. Meow, 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 meow. I want milk. Meow, 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 meow. I'm the king. That's what button says. That's a butthole. What's wrong? All they do is yell. They're like two little bitches. I told you to... What? Get down. Yes. Yes. Tickles. Hey. Don't talk back. Why don't you just wipe your ass all over the place? Tick. Come here. Come on. Get down. No. Down. Down. I know this is an exciting video because you just get to hear me yell most of the time. I'm going to kill this cat. Can you not be in the sink? If I wasn't so damn... You're licking the sink? Don't lick the sink! No, don't! Oh my god. What are you so sad for? Oh. Oh. I miss you, top of the cabinet. Oh, top of the cabinet, I miss you. Oh. You can still get up there. Don't be a wimp. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there. You can get up there. Get up there. Chicken. Come on, Tiki. You can do it. There you go. Good job. Overcome your fears. Forget you. I'm not walking you through the rest of it. Ideal cat right here for me. I know, baby. How are you feeling? Poor baby. You did it! You're a crazy monster cat. Catch some bugs up there.